Well, there it is, the Pacific Ocean. I have come to the sea after what feels like a million miles on land. I last saw the sea when I was in Boston. Recall a ferry boat took me to Long Wharf, and then another boat took me to the southern towns of the same city, where I cycled to my father's house from there. It's a comfortable night here in southern Mexico. As usual, I'm pretty wasted. I rode an extra 10 miles to get here after going 5 miles out of my way, so made a big investment to get a glimpse of the Pacific Ocean, but I didn't expect that I would see it again for some time, so this opportunity couldn't be missed. Well, it's out already as I exit Jose's bungalows and camping, etc. this morning, approaching 9. Questionable coming down here for sure. Last night, I'd like to say I got enough satisfaction out of it, but I certainly could have used some time this morning to relax here. Just rolling out now. I'm going to ride the 10 extra miles again, so that's a extra 20 for the journey before I start a 100-mile day at the top of a very gentle climb. Lots to discover here in this funky town, no doubt. But I think I'll transition to 2 hands and get back to work. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning, and in a moment I will ride up onto this highway on my right, which is part of the Pan American system, Pan American Highway. Unfortunately, for many miles here, there's no shoulder, zero, no shoulder at all. And so the cars and trucks, etc., buses, which tend to get very close to me. Sometimes there is exceptional exceptions. So close that I jump sometimes, even though I can hear them coming. It's a combination of speed and sound striking my systems at the same time. I'm sweating all over. I don't know what the temperature is. Far too late of a start. My own fault. Yesterday I really blew it. I overshot a turn, and then I made a decision to go 10 miles out of my way, so 20-mile round trip. I got some positive memories out of it, but I'm definitely going to pay a bigger price tag than what I acquired. It's a cute little road. It cuts off a corner. I went down it last night too. Once again, it's approached or hit 100 degrees today. 3rd day in a row. And the days before quite hot too. I've been looking down off bridges like that one from the Pan American Highway. And by the way, I just got bit by a fish. I'm not sure if those are little piranhas. Getting back to the story, That's the Pan American Highway up there, and yesterday I began to see fairly consistent rivers, though this one is quite significant. The water looked inviting and cold and clean. As the water implies, it's gotten wetter since I exited the mountains, though not right away. The first day I rode roughly 50 miles through the heat, which hasn't changed, but through very dry country. Whatever reason or combination of reasons, I'm starting to transition into wetter space.